Hello, I'm Ron. Today my wife Joanne is bringing you a delicious dish. Its name is 8 Treasure Rice Pudding. It means there are many ingredients in it. 8 means more and wealth in Chinese culture. It is a symbol of abundance. There are more than 8 ingredients in the dish. Please check the description section. Put the soaked rice in a rice cooker. After boiling the beans, mash them so you can make a bean paste. Red beans are a symbol of love in Chinese culture. Red beans are the filling of the 8 treasure rice. Add butter and sugar. It's okay now. And then add walnuts and peanuts. They can make the filling have more texture. Make some shapes out of dried fruit. This is mango. Notice her trusty kitchen hammer tool. You can also choose other colored dried fruits and nuts. This is our homemade dried persimmons. Fruit can give off more aromas for the dish. Place various ingredients at the bottom of the bowl, forming a pattern. So we have 2 bowls of 8 treasure rice pudding. The sweet rice is also steamed. Add white sugar, lard, and butter. Only add butter if you dislike lard, but lard and the rice are perfect matches. Mix well. Put them in a bowl. Fill. Compact it. And then steam for at least an hour. All the ingredients will be fully absorbed and fused. You can also use a pressure cooker. These shapes were not very satisfying for her. Inverted, it's like when we made steamed pork belly with preserved mustard. Like I said, she's not really happy with this one. She says the audience might do it better than her. Let it cool. And then this step is optional. We're adding Hawthorn jelly and osmanthus. Melt. She wants to add a sour taste to the sweet taste to give the dish more flavor and also look more festive with the red color. This dish is only available on Chinese New Year's and banquets. It is delicious. Sometimes she makes a small bowl for our afternoon tea dessert. Thank you for watching. I am Ron Kelsey for Joanne Kelsey. Please subscribe to follow her, and see you next time.